This cool van is a Ford Econoline travel wagon. Notice the tent type appendage up top there. Ford sent these off to a van maker, and as a result it has that tent there, and the interior is outfitted as a travel van. Very nice. Very early entry into the travel van world. And you can just get a peek at the 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine there under that engine cover, sitting between the driver and the passenger. This is about the beginning of an explosion of vans throughout the country, many of them customized in this way to allow people to take space in an RV camp for a week, let's say, and enjoy a vacation in someplace different. I like the paint scheme too. It's very nice. And the van customizer was from Elkhart, Indiana. And I think so many of them are probably now out of business, since the van craze has almost disappeared. Notice the 8-track player there and the 8-track tapes. And I talked to the owner, and he said the 8-track player works. I like that white stripe down the side. And of course we have the spare tire here riding on the back door. Very cool van.